Hi darlings. Let's learn some amazing facts about turtles together. Number 1. Jonathan the tortoise is the oldest living animal on land. At approximately 189 years old, Jonathan the tortoise is a Guinness World Record holder for being the oldest animal alive today. He was brought to the island of St. Helena, South Atlantic Ocean along with 3 other tortoises in 1882 and is still alive and kicking. Even though he is already blind, he can still navigate his way across the island as if he's still a youngster. Number 2. Turtles are very fond of jellyfish, even though some species are poisonous. Their appetite for jellyfish can sometimes prove harmful for them, as many times they ingest plastic, thinking it's a floating jellyfish, which can choke them. Turtles can be herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores in nature. Number 3. Turtles cry. If you ever get the opportunity to observe a sea turtle out of the water, you may observe that tears are pouring out of its eyes. The sea turtle cries not because it is hurt or sad but to get rid of excess salt in the body. The lacrimal glands of the turtle are located behind the eyes. They excrete a saline solution that is twice as salty as seawater. These salty tears mix up with water immediately in water, but on land, we can see them. The turtle's tears keep out sand from its eyes and prevent dehydration while nesting. Number 4. They're ancient. Sea turtles have roamed the oceans for the last 100 million years, so they lived alongside the dinosaurs. Aquatic turtles have been around even longer, for about 145 million years. They even survived the mass extinction of the dinosaurs after the meteor hit. If you like the video so far, like and subscribe. Thank you. Number 5. Turtles don't have teeth. Only young turtles have teeth which they use to break out from their eggs, but these incisors will eventually disappear. Instead, like birds, turtles have pointed beaks which they use for breaking down food. They also have flat jaws which help them grind their food. Number 6. Turtles can drown. Even though they seem to stay underwater for huge amounts of time, turtles can definitely drown. Anything without gills can drown. In general, turtles can hold their breath for 30 minutes. But of course with hundreds of species, this can vary. It also depends on the location and the temperature of water. One species, the loggerhead turtle, has been observed at staying underwater for 10 hours. When a sea turtle is resting or sleeping, they can stay underwater for 4 to 7 hours. Turtles are smart enough to return to the surface when they need air. However, if a turtle is stressed, for example from getting stuck in a fishing net, it can use its oxygen faster and even drown within minutes. Number 7. The gender of the turtle is determined by temperature. Other species have their sex assigned as soon as fertilization occurs. But when it comes to turtles, they're a special case. The temperature of the eggs while they're developing is the deciding factor here. This is something called temperature-dependent sex determination. If a turtle's eggs incubate below 81.86 degrees Fahrenheit, the turtle eggs will hatch male. If they're incubated above 87.8 F, the babies will be female. Anything in between these temperatures could result in the hatchling being either male or female. Things like warmer sand will influence more female turtles to be hatched. And of course on a mass scale, climate change could impact turtle species to hatching more females, resulting in not enough males being born. Number 8. Turtles can sleep underwater. Turtles need to rest or sleep just like other animals. In the nighttime, most turtles sleep underwater. They also sometimes sleep while floating on the surface. If a turtle can't get into the water to sleep, it will look for a safe place like a hole, a pile of leaves, or mud. Turtles can also take naps at any time during the day. Number 9. Antarctica is the only continent turtles don't live on. Being the adaptive creatures they are, turtles can survive in pretty much any conditions. While most of the species are found in southeastern America and South Asia, they can still be found in other parts of the world. Sea turtles can sometimes end up in the European Arctic, but you won't find any in Antarctica. The leatherback turtle is the most widely distributed turtle, venturing into the Arctic Circle, and as far south as the bottom of New Zealand. Do you like turtles too? Really, which item of this video did you like the most? Comment for me. Thank you.